Quickly add a trendy offset frame to your digital project. It's a great way to draw attention to a photo. I'm beginning here in expert mode in Photoshop Elements, but the instructions are exactly the same for Adobe Photoshop except where noted. I've opened the template included in the download. In the Layers panel, click on the paper clipping mask layer to make it the active layer. Press Ctrl-J, Command-J on a Mac to create a duplicate layer. In the Layers panel, double-click directly on the name of the duplicate layer and rename it Photo Clipping Mask. Press Enter or Return to commit the change. Now let's change the color of this photo clipping mask to a darker gray. In the Layers panel, hold down the Control key, Command key on a Mac, and click on the thumbnail of the photo clipping mask layer to get a selection outline. Click on the foreground color chip to open the color picker. In the color picker, choose a dark gray color and click OK. Press Alt Backspace, Option Delete on a Mac to fill the selection with the foreground color. Press Ctrl D, Command D on a Mac to deselect. Now let's resize and move the photo clipping mask. The photo clipping mask layer should still be the active layer. Press Ctrl T, Command T on a Mac to get the transform options. If you cannot see the bounding box handles, press Ctrl 0, Command 0 on a Mac. On the document, click and drag from a corner handle of the bounding box to make the circle smaller. Notice how the offset frame is taking shape as you drag on the corner handle. Use the arrow keys to nudge it into place. You can also click and drag inside the bounding box to reposition the circle. You could move it so the circles touch on the top or bottom edge or the left or right side. When you're happy with the placement, click the check mark to commit. Saving the document as a layered grayscale template will allow you to use it over and over again. I used the template to make this page. Where the edges of the two circles meet is a great place to add a little cluster of elements. For a free PDF version of this video, click on the download link in the description and then make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This has been Julie Cinco from Digital Scrapper, the very best place on the web to find complete and professional instruction for digital scrapbooking. We help you get your stories told.